Lady Gaga, she released a song Rain on Me, and I will be recreating this makeup look that she had in her video. So if you want to know how I created this Rain on Me makeup tutorial, then continue watching and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time that I post a video. So let's get into it right away. Chromatica, oh my god, Lady Gaga just came out with her new song Rain on Me, and it is so good. I decided to do the white liner, so that's what I did. I ran to the pharmacy to go buy some white liner because I don't have any white liner. Of course, I already did my base off camera because it was gonna take a while to do. And I think I am so snatched. And you know, my inspiration is this picture right here. I don't know if you can see it, but girl, she looks so snatched and amazing. I am in love, okay? What we're gonna do first, of course, is to prime our lids to make sure that nothing moves. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. This is the waterproof one because it is important to be waterproof in these times. And then I'm gonna apply just a really, really thin layer on my eyelids, and then I will set it, and then we will pass it to the eyeliner. And I did my brows thinner than usual because in the picture, Lady Gaga has a thin eyebrows, and I just think that it's so cute. I just wanted to be like her. Some people like said when I was younger that I looked like her. I don't know, tell me in the comments if I look like her. So this is done. I think what I'm gonna do is I will be applying a little bit of tape on my eye so the liner is super sharp, which is an incredibly important step. It is crucial for this liner to be perfect. Oh no, my foundation! All right, so we will jump straight into the liner because this is gonna be so cute. And I will be trying for the first time this NYX Epic Wear waterproof eyeliner, which is white, and it is in the new collection. So I was lucky because there was only one left in the store, literally. So that's what it looks like. It's completely white. Of course, I want to do this with my eyes open because, and looking at Lady Gaga's pictures, and then we fill in everything. And then I have to lift my eye up a little bit just because my eyes are hooded and it's gonna create such a mess. And you take a little concealer brush or anything and you can just clean it off afterwards, you know. But then we will take this and I'm just gonna pack it literally everywhere. And then one thing that it has is it goes right under the lash line too. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bring it under just here. But it looks really nice. I think I'm in love with white liner. Yes, and this liner was $12, by the way, Canadian. Again, there's always one side that looks better than the other. This one looks better than the other side. Girl, this is OMG. I'm gonna let it dry just a little bit and then we will apply some black liner. So I'm gonna take the Huda Beauty Life liner and place it right here on the sides. And it's gonna be very, very pretty. So let me let this dry and then we will pass to the next step. And I will put it right there just to line. So when we put the false lashes, there's not a big white line right there. So let's go into it right away, line a little bit, and then it's gonna be super, super pretty. Let me dip again for the other side. My hair is kind of all over the place, so I'm really sorry. It's just because I wanted something very wavy and messy for the intro. Now I will be removing this right now for a sharp line and replacing what looks kind of nice. And I'm looking at the picture again. She has like a little rhinestone here on the side, but first let me just reblend a little bit of my concealer right there with my brush. I'm gonna try to blend it without adding more. So how does my eyes feel? They feel so dry and clumpy. This is not the best liner to do this type of work, I'm just saying. But it looks kind of cool at the same time. I really like it. So we will finish the face, of course, for this look. I'm going to be applying a little bit of blush because I didn't have a lot, and it's going to be the Marcel blush, and it is the shade Coral, just to, you know, put a little bit of color in our face because she has a little bit of color and she has shine. So we will go into this, the shine, the color, And after that, we will put like a little star here. Even though she has a rhinestone, I'm gonna be putting a little star because I think it's cute. And then I just apply a little bit of blush to put a little bit of color on my face. Now what I want to do is put some mascara. So I'm going to put the Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara. It is waterproof. Waterproof mascara at the rescue. I'm just going to apply this right here. Lady Gaga doesn't really have any lashes on the lower lash line, so I'm just gonna stick with this because it's very natural, very cute. She has more of like false lashes on here, so we will put that after. Before, one thing that I want to do is I want to do the lips. So she has something more neutral and more kind of cooler tone. Warm tones and cool tones together. So I think I'm going to pair these two shades together because it is the closest thing that I could find. So it is the shade Bow and Arrow and Melancholia from Kat Von D. I outline with Bow and Arrow, and I'm going to put a little bit of Melancholia in the middle of my lips, which is going to be putting everything together and put the look like she has it in the video. All right, and then we blend this color in, like mixing and matching those colors, which they look really, really pretty together. And that's the lip. Of course, it's gonna come together when I put the gloss on top. You're gonna see when that comes. But for now, I think I'm gonna be applying the highlighter. So I'm gonna go into a highlight that is neutral and that will fit with everything that is neutral. So the lip is neutral, the eye is neutral because it's a white liner. So I will go into the Jaclyn Hill Extra Loose Highlighter, which is my favorite of all time. Because the skin she has in that video, oh my god, it's glowing, which is everything but me. I ain't glowing in like any way possible. So I'm just gonna apply some on my little brush, and then we will spend this time putting highlight everywhere on my face, which will look absolutely amazing. And then we blend it everywhere because she's glowing from every single corner basically. And I don't know, she has like great skin, amazing skin. I bring it forward here. Of course, we don't want to forget under the brow bone. So right, so that highlight is placed, not too much, just enough so my face is glowing for every single angle. So even if it's here, even if it hits here, even if it's here or anywhere, it's gonna be glowing to the gods, which is what Lady Gaga is. She's a goddess. I love her. Hopefully she sees my makeup look, my awful recreation of her makeup look. Next thing I'm gonna do is I will be applying my false lashes, and I'm gonna be applying the Ferrara Beauty false lashes on my lashes. And I like to apply them off camera because sometimes there's some complications and I don't want you to see this. So I'm gonna go put this and I will be right back. Girl, these lashes. Anyways, this look is coming together, which is really amazing. I love it. I think white liner is gonna be my new staple, honestly, because white liner fits me so well for some reason. It's amazing. Yes, slaying. The final touches now is I'm gonna be applying the Fenty Beauty lip gloss in Confetti, which will be so pretty just because of these blue, purplish, pink, golden shimmers in it, and I think it will fit very, very well with the look, which is super extra, super nice, super like chromatica, chrome. So we want something chrome. And Lady Gaga has some lip gloss, so I have to put some lip gloss on. So let's open it up, smell the yumminess, and then we will apply it to our lips. Ooh, this lip gloss is literally everything. I love it. Especially with this white liner, it really fits with everything. With the new lip, I think it's the best combination ever. And of course, we have to set our face. So I will be using the Continuous Setting Mist from Morphe. And then put back some moisture into my face because we want that dewiness that Lady Gaga has. And then we let it dry, of course, to make sure that our face is finished. And then for the final touch, we will put a little star, which I bought this too when I went to the drugstore because I didn't have any rhinestones. Since she has her little rhinestone here, I'm going to be putting a star instead because the other one that I got is a black rhinestone and she doesn't have something black. This looks cute. It is from Annabelle. And I'm just going to put one, honestly. And I think I'm going to put the smallest one right here. Like this. Like she has it. Which looks really pretty. Ooh, the light. My hair is still wet from when I was washing my hair. So it fits because rain on me. So this is the final look. Tell me down in the comments down below what you think about this recreation of Rain on Me of Lady Gaga, which that was pretty bad, but it's okay. But yeah, so tell me what you think down below. Do you think white liner fits me? Do you think it's a good recreation of Lady Gaga Rain on Me little makeup look? I was like, should I do Ariana Grande or Lady Gaga? I was like, I need to do Gaga right now. And of course she has other makeup looks in like her video, which is the same liner but it's a black one instead of a white one. So I wanted to do the white one just because I didn't have the chromy designs that she has on her eyes. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment down below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see all those awesome videos. So I post 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday, and if you don't want to miss any video, again, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time, even when I do a live. So I really love you, beauties, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.